Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your Baseus Storm 1. And firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. And now you can click on your earbuds at the device list, or it automatically connected, and we have connected it. But if it didn't help you, we should perform a soft reset. So put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. These earbuds are disconnected from your phone, and after that, just open it to reconnect them. Cool. Now, if it also didn't help you, what we can do is to remove your earbuds and edit. So click the information icon or settings icon, forget the device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device, and now this earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so just click on it at the device list. And we have connected again, but if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a hard reset. So put your earbuds to the charging case, and after that, right here at the bottom, we have this connectional button. So press and hold it until this light flashing 3 times. Here we go, now we should remove it. Forget. Also don't forget to click pair new device on your Android, and now this, after hard reset, it enters to pairing mode automatically, so we can see it at the device list. Click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!